Siyang may crush sa akin. Talaga. Ganda eh.
Marami siyang quality na kamahal-mahal naman eh. Mapagmahal, caring, maalaga, tapos I feel safe sa kanya.
Think that we're different, baby. I'm down for the ride. It's scary as hell, but I love the thrill. Don't know where this thing is headed, but I like how it feels. If you want, then we could go slow. If you got your baggage all packed and I'm ready to roll, let's go flying higher, supersonic vibing. Baby, this is a one-way trip. Yeah, let's go flying higher, supersonic vibing. Baby, with you I win, with you I'm in. Yeah.
Huwag ninyong pababayaan. Isa lang ang nagdadala ng kasal na ito, ng marriage na ito. Mahirap man ang buhay pag-aasawa. Kung kayo magtutulungan at kung kayo hihingi ng tulong sa Diyos, makakaagdun kayo hanggang dulo.
Thank you.
It's scary as hell. I love you, feel.
May budget.
Don't know where this thing's headed, but I like how it feels. Oh, flying high, supersonic vibing, baby.
Karen, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Neil na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Neil, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Karen na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Like a flower blossoming after a storm.
Mukha naman Disney princess siya ngayon. Kanina lang siya stress nung wala pa ako. Pero ngayon, yun lang, sabi ko nga, thank you kasi kahit malakas yung ulan kahapon, sinuong mo makarating lang dito. Tapos inantay mo talaga ako.
Has caused me to explore a vibrancy that I have never known before.
Wala pong sulat?
But I was too wrapped up in the heartache of the wind.
Panyo, Dre. Asa yung panyo?
I was so blinded by the downpour.
Nakakamiss din kasi. Yun lang, thank you.
All of the colors, all of the light that's coming through, the way the sun strikes brighter than.
Thank you pa kasi pinalaki mo akong maayos na ganito, nakapag-aral. Sorry doon sa ilang taon kong pag-aano sa school, kaya nagtagal ako bago gumraduate. And thankfully, kung hindi dahil doon sa ano na yun, hindi rin ako mapapunta dito sa Baste at makikilala si Karen.
Di, tsaka nag-matured ka doon eh. Nag-matured ka doon sa ganong sistema sa buhay mo.
Thankful ako kay Lord kasi hindi niya ako pinahirapan na hanapin ka. Binibigay ka na nga niya sa akin noon pa. Ako lang yung ilang beses na tinanggihan yung offer niya. Pero tunay nga kapag para sa'yo talaga.
First of all, nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon dahil pinagtagpo tayong dalawa muli. I promise to be not only your husband, but I will be your friend, best friend, number one fan, and kung sino man yung gusto mong maging ako.
For all of the colors, all of the light that's coming through, the way the sun strikes brighter than it used to. All of the daylight won't feel the same without the rain. When every dark
vow to support your dreams as much as you support mine, to laugh with you in good times and to hold your hand through the challenges. I will be your partner in all things, your friend, your ally, and the dragon by your side.
I promise to laugh with you and love you even on the toughest days. I promise to be always on your side in good times and in bad times, to infinity and beyond.
Thank you for always believing in us, for being patient, and for loving me despite my flaws. I am blessed to do life with you, and I can't wait for the many adventures we'll share. I love you.